For question number 3, I'm solving the same system of equations that I was solving before. I'm just using the graphing method now. And I'm going to use the calculator for this. So I want to enter in these equations into the y equals command, but in order to do that I need to isolate for y in both of them. So for the top one, I'm going to subtract 3x and then divide by 4. And you can reduce this if you want to. It's not really going to matter. Okay, then the second equation, I'm going to subtract x and then divide by -4. So those negatives are actually going to cancel out, and I'm going to get 1/4 x plus 1/2. Okay, so I want to enter in these two equations into my y equals. So that's going to look like this. Then I want to graph it, and I want to use a zoom standard. It's like really windy out. I'm not sure if you can hear that or not. Anyway, then I'm going to press graph, and these are my two equations. So my equations are representing lines, and the solution is going to be the intersection point. So I can find the intersection point if I do second calc, and then it's number 5, the intersection command. And then I want to, well, it's going to ask me for what is your first curve, meaning our first line. So as long as you just press enter on one of your lines, you'll be okay. So that locks in, that is my first line. And then it wants to know my second curve, or what is my second line. So it's kind of hard to see the cursor there, but it's right there. And I'm going to press enter. So that locks that in as my second line. And then you can make a guess that's close to the intersection point. If you want to make a guess that's further away, you can, but your calculator will still be able to figure out what the intersection point is. So if you press enter again, then it does find the intersection point. And it's 2, 1, which is what we found with the other two methods.